New York. It was a benefit show, I guess. And this is Bob. I was by myself at the Natural History Museum, and Tom Roquel introduced me. But Bono was right in the audience right here. I met him afterwards, but he was right there in the audience. And I just kept on screwing everything up. And it wasn't because he was there, it's just because it was awesome. Like I had to stop in the middle of the song. That was a short version. I still killed it. My boob on my guitar. It's the advantage of playing guitar as time goes by, because you can't rest your boob on the piano. Well, not easily. Just as wisdom comes to me, I'm gonna share it tonight, because I don't know if I'm share it with you. That you want to rest your boob on whatever you're playing in your life, or now, I would choose the guitar. It's perfect for resting a boob.
A boob?
You don't have boobs. I do. Delicious. Do these pants make me look homeless? That's what I asked my road manager back there. I said, do these pants make me look like that is the only pair I have? And then he said, that's her style. I was kind of grumpy, but I didn't show it because I'm spineless. I mean, it might be, but I don't care. But don't you see, Daddy, how good I am at catching crows? Guns and gods and little red birds. Guns and gods and little red birds. Don't you see, Daddy, how good I am at catching crows? General Custer